Yeah, so we know at the Surama Eco Lodge.
The design represents the paw of a jaguar.
So this is like a cave set up camp here.
That's the male. The male have this bright orange.
4 bridges, 2 short ones and 2 long ones.
Alright, I'll make it for the first one. It's kind of scary and excited at the same time. Beautiful. The toilet, face basin, and just outdoor show. Look at that, that's the harpy eagle. Just crossed the river there and now we're getting ready to head back to Georgetown. Hope nothing look like you want to bite. Having some wild cow tapering. It's good, man, it's good. Gassing up. Morning, guys, how you doing? Getting ready to leave now. Got a backpack already. Yeah, these ACs blow cool in the night. Yeah, so just about to leave. Can see it's early morning, a few minutes before 6. The sun just beginning to rise. So beautiful. This was a wonderful experience and I highly recommend you guys to give it a try. So we're getting ready to leave now, taking pictures.
Good morning.
Good morning.
From RUPUNUNI.
For the final time for now. Look how beautiful the sunrise is right here in the Rupununi. Yeah, so we're just now leaving the Rupununi Savannahs. Beautiful sight of the mountain just speaking up above the clouds. So I can see we're back in the jungle now. So Surama will be our first stop back home, and there's still a lot to see because while we were coming it was in the night, so you actually get to see now when the place is all bright. Yeah, so we entered Surama now. Surama.
Still got 9K to reach. Yeah.
But Surama is deep in the jungle, man.
The village is on a patch of Savannah. And it's surrounded by forests and mountains.
This is the Turtle Savannah tree. Yeah, so just entering the Surama village. Some nice cattle.
Once we pass this white gate, we're into the lodge. Surama Lodge.
Welcome to Surama Eco Lodge. What makes a lodge eco? I always they put in eco in the name. What makes it eco?
Well, it has to do with you know, the service that they provide, from the amenities in the room.
Yeah.
You know, like for example, solar. Lodge is totally solar.
Yeah.
So you're not using any fuel.
Okay.
It has a lot to do with things that come
Ecological
natural.
systems. Yeah.
Sustainable to an extent.
Okay.
It can be 100%.
Yeah, so we know at the Surama Eco Lodge. Yeah. Yeah, I'm around there.
Each room has 2 beds.
Okay. So it's not they actually make it just like the hut then.
Yeah, well, there is a reason why it was built like this. So
Yeah.
this is a new dining room. It was smaller.
Okay.
The design represents the paw of a jaguar. So if you go from above, these are the toes,
Yeah.
and then the main part. Of the body.
Okay, so I soon going to see how that looks.
Yeah.
Nice. I like that concept.
And you see when the lodge was officially opened in 2004
Yeah.
on the sign there.
So the 22nd of May 2004.
You have more accommodation to the back.
So,
In terms of what you could do when you come here, the river is at the base of these mountains, so it's like a 2 miles hike.
yeah.
So you can go canoeing on the river. You see things like giant otters, I've seen
Nice.
pumas going down to the river as well,
Wow.
jaguars. And then there's our beagle nest that is not active at the moment, but you have to go down to the river and then downstream 2 hours by boat to get to the nest. You get monkeys and fox, all kinds of different wildlife here.
Nice, nice.
Trek Force,
Mm-hmm.
it was a group that came with some students. I think it's a university coming from the UK.
Mm-hmm.
And they had a group of students who came to do research,
Yeah.
whether it be mammals, reptiles, amphibians. And so the lodge didn't really had any accommodation back then.
Oh,
So
okay.
they were like camping out. And then after they finished their time here,
Mm-hmm.
they, I guess, came together with Surama and sponsored these buildings.
Nice. So out of them coming here not having the accommodation, they ensure that one is here.
Back then, tourism never was like popular in Guyana and in Surama. So not only coming to do research, but they saw the potential
Yeah.
and decided to convince the community to get into tourism, so that when the students and the university come again, they have accommodation.
And then another. So we're gonna head upstairs for the view. So you have a hammock. Whoa, this. Whoa, look at the view, man. Amazing. Wow. Nice. Amazing views. So you have a chair, you can sit down and enjoy. And look on the thinking toe, what they call locust. Yeah, I tried it and it tastes good. Had a wonderful time in Surama, and now we're heading out. And where's the next stop now, Liam?
Canopy Walkway.
Canopy Walkway. So we're heading to the Canopy. So excited about this one. Here on the back on the main road, heading to the Canopy. So stop looking for the rock, one of the most beautiful birds here. So hopefully we'll get to see. So we're going in the bushes once again on the trail. The scent is strong, so peccary or wild hog just passed.
This big rock, eh? You see this one here? See the one in the middle? Look underneath. Got a ball.
Okay, I see. So this is like a cave. Could actually set up camp here, man.
You're not gonna see it from here, but once we get to where there's small plants around the ground,
Yeah.
up on the ridge, has a lot of nest. Sometimes the female is sitting there.
That was amazing. The cock of the rock is such a beautiful bird. So we're now heading back down to base. Yeah, so we just reached back at base. So we're now entering the Canopy Walkway. Look how beautiful this place is, man. So we're currently at the Atta rainforest, right where they have the Canopy Walkway. I'm just about to go on it. I've seen this on so many videos, so happy, so excited to finally be going on it for myself. These are different cabins. Beautiful, man. I'll fill out registration.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Dylan. Yeah, how you doing?
Good.
Okay. I'm alright. Excited about the walkway. So about how far is the walk?
So it's 500 meters from here, flat walk.
Yeah.
It's gonna take us about 10 to 15 minutes walking.
Oh,
Then we'll be hiking up
yeah.
150 steps with handrail.
150.
Yeah.
Wow.
Get up to the Canopy Walkway. So screaming piha.
So how you find staying here?
It's good, but now it's very slow. We don't have any cars. Probably later this month.
Yeah.
Start picking up back again. I've been here over 8 years now. I'm from Atta in the Rupununi.
Yeah, I went there.
Yeah.
I went to Anna. Oh, this one is a purple heart.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Oh, okay.
We also have green heart tree and bulletwood trees around. That's one of the hardest wood here in Guyana. This one here.
The purple
Very
heart.
expensive, yeah. Yeah, they would cut the leaves and they would bring it down
Yeah.
and it's gonna like get rot and there's a fungus that grows on it and they feed on the fungus. So they are like farming.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
That's smart. So what they want then is the fungus that grows on the leaf.
Yeah. Bulletwood. They bleed the tree for the latex. It's we call it palata. It's a rubber tree.
So how often do they bleed it?
Every 5 years.
So the tree just fall down, so let's see how we can get around it. Can you hold this up?
Jump up there.
So we finally reach the steps then.
That's all the way up.
Yeah.
And we'll be coming down the same path.
And you say it's 150.
Yeah, 50. So the steps are slippery, so take your time.
Alright. So the journey of 1,000 miles begin with one step. Still have a lot more to go. I thought that was the end of it. Still have some more steps to take. It's a tough walk, but I know the view will be worth it. Yeah, we're finally here.
We'll be coming back this way.
Okay. What a walk that was.
Alright, so there are 3 platforms, observation platforms, and 4 bridges. 2 short ones and 2 long ones. So it's in a loop, goes out and comes back to the hill.
Oh,
So
okay.
the highest one is 100 feet off the ground.
Yeah.
And that's the best view. From there you get to see out.
Okay. The highest one is down more?
Yeah, further one behind.
Okay.
Alright, so it's 1 person a bridge at a time.
Yeah.
And not more than 8 person on a platform.
Okay.
So the yellow up here is your handrail. And if you're afraid of heights, just keep looking eye level. But use the handrail.
right, I'll make it for the first one. Yes. Wow. Really high up. Right, that's good.
Okay, you can.
Alright, so. Oh. It's kind of scary and excited at the same time.
It's okay.
Just look how amazing this view is. Wow. The rainforest from above. So now we enjoy the beautiful view and we got to go, so we are now gonna be on our way. Yeah, but this place is so beautiful, man. This is like a Neesberry tree. Sapandela. Such an awesome experience to be right here, man. Right above. So this was the beauty that we were just on. Right here. In the jungle with Delon. So when was this constructed?
Year 2001.
2001.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've been here for quite a while then.
Yeah.
What are these on the tree, like ornaments?
It's called soft wallaby, the tree.
Yeah.
And those are the seed pods.
I like how it's orange, man.
Looks like
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. When you guys come to Rupununi, be sure to stop at the Canopy Walkway. That was exciting and scary at the same time. It was an amazing experience, man, and I hope you guys can get to come here and experience it for yourself.
this huge rock.
Back at the starting point. Yeah, I just saw the blue Murphy butterfly. So beautiful, man. Look at this purple, man. Whoa, look at this. Oh, my. Come back. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a camera trap on the tree, like to catch animals when they pass. Okay, cause I was wondering if the breeze blowing that strong, but no, that you say is like, so it's like when the rain fall and it start get like loose, like
Communication tree.
okay.
So when we hit it, it's gonna echo in the forest.
I hear. Nice. What's the name of it?
Guyana. It's called Guyana. Commonly called the communication telephone tree.
Okay. And then somebody else who have that tree could just hit it back and yeah. That's nice, man. What is this?
Monkey ladder. Vine.
Okay.
This is a seed pod. It's called monkey pot. Monkey pot tree, that from that tree over there.
Yeah.
Has a seed pod like this and keeps hanging like this. And there's some seeds inside and has like a cover as well, like a
Oh,
That's why it's called monkey pot. Looks like a pot.
yeah.
Monkey there. Look, monkey.
Yes.
That's whiteface Saki monkey.
White face.
That was a female just went over.
Okay.
The male is black and that's a white fish.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Has like a short tail.
Jumping across. So finally make it out now. Yeah. So this is the red holler monkey room, and this is how it would look.
And then the shower.
So beautiful.
Could go open the shower.
See the bed. Nice presentation, amazing one. And this is natural. And then right over here you have the toilet, face basin, and just outdoor shower inside the house. Amazing. So you can definitely book your room here and get to go on the walkway. Yeah. Look at that, that's the harpy eagle. Yeah, so we saw an eagle. It doesn't seem to be the harpy, it seems to be the crested one. First I thought it was the harpy. Yeah, Leon gone to check it out. So which one was it, Leon? Crested eagle. This is the crested eagle. Yeah. You get a nice shot. So we're now on the Essequibo River, waiting for the barge right there to come across so that we can cross the water here. It's now 11:30. The next time it's gonna be coming over is about 12, so yeah, we just got to wait. So we just come across here now. Yeah, just crossed the river there, and now we're getting ready to head back to Georgetown, the big city. Buses are fueling up. Alright guys, so I know you must have enjoyed the tour. So with me is my tour guide Leon, and yeah, so Leon, share them the package that you have available so that they also can come and enjoy Rupununi.
Well, I actually supposed to be launching a package that is specifically targeting local Guyanese and in the local diaspora.
Yeah.
Which would be similar to what we just did. But instead of stopping at Anai,
Yeah.
it would include Latem and Bonfim. There's a nice lake over there.
Oh, okay.
It's like a resort, so I would like to include that as well. I was supposed to have that package available since October last year, but I'm still waiting on additional transportation so that, you know, people will feel comfortable because, you know, the journey from Georgetown to the interior or to Latem is already a long journey, and you want to be able to have comfortable seating, and you know, people must just have a good experience when they're traveling. So
That's true.
I'm hoping by late February, early March, more details will be available about the package.
Yeah.
Right, it will include the drive from Georgetown, coming up to the Iwokrama Canopy Walkway,
Yeah.
and then we most likely will stop in Anai at the RUPUNUNI Lodge, which we visited briefly on this trip,
Yeah.
and then continuing on to Lethem. There's a lot of things that you could do in Lethem, and of course I will try to incorporate as much as possible. Having said that, the more we incorporate in the package, it's the more expensive it's going to be. And I'm hoping to host groups of 5 to 8 people. I wanted to host the maximum of 8 people, because I think that's a good number in terms of doing a trip like this. And then also transportation. Again, comfortable seating, and just a good experience of enjoying a trip like this. So people can find those details on my website at www.journeyguyana.com. Also on Facebook, my Facebook page, Leon Moore Nature Experience. You just type in Leon Moore Nature Experience on Facebook. People can go ahead and like the page on time, so that when the details becomes available, you'll see it.
They'll get notified.
I will try to be the guide on this tour, at least the first 2 or 3 tours. I have my colleague Kevin Ramnad at the back, who is also a tour guide, specializes in doing the Mahaika tour, right? So of course you can check out his page as well. Kevin can tell you his details.
Okay, so the Facebook page is Kevin's Boarding Experience.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can check that out for any more information.
Yes, guys, so there you have it. You can book your trip and come and enjoy yourself. So we stop there and just find a snake. This one poisonous?
No.
Oh, look at him. She open up his mouth like he want to bite.
It's a brown vine snake.
Brown vine. It look like a piece of branch, like a tree, like that. The skin feels soft. See, ready to attack. You see that mouth? And return him back, run down. I was just beginning to wonder, because being in Georgetown area, I see snakes often, and then I come to the Rupununi and didn't see any at all. So yeah, that's why I see a non-poisonous one, because I don't want to see one of the other one.
Brown vine snake.
Brown vine snake. Yeah, so they kind of look like a vine, and they feed on lizard, so the lizard can mistake them for a vine and go close, and that will be the end of them. Yeah, we're just passing the checkpoint now. Still on our way to Linden to head to Georgetown.
So we've arrived at 58 and stopped get some food and be back on the road.
Having some wild cow tapering, and it's good, man, it's good. I'm gassing up. These look like pimento. Yeah, even the leaf, this look like pimento, man. So we just see a fox run just across the road. Yeah, so that's another one to add to the list.